Not all platforms are suitable for all kinds of content. I will tell you the truth. There are some platforms that are easier to get followers, subscribers, and the rest of them, while there are some that are not. And depending on the niche you find yourself, depending on the kind of content you are creating, here is the secret formula that every successful content creator use to succeed that they don't tell you. I'm going to be spilling it in this video. We are diving right into the video. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do want to watch this video to the end because we all have to succeed. This channel is for success on social media. Whatever platform you find yourself, be it YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, wherever you find yourself, this channel is the channel you have to subscribe to if you are yet to do so. And turn on the notification bell, okay? My name is God. Welcome to this channel. Okay, now let's dive straight into the video. The secret formula successful content creators use. Okay, the proven steps that they use to succeed in their content creation. I mean, the blueprint of content creation. I will be spilling it in this video. I did my research. I've run other channels that some of them failed, and the rest of them, some of my social media platform, and some of them succeeded, some of them failed, and I've learned a lot. So I'm going to be sharing them in this channel, like I said. And now I have gotten the secrets, the blueprint of content creation, and I said, wow, why don't I share it with my champs? The number one is when you want to start creating your content, you have to know the niche. Okay, some people say when you're creating your first video, you don't necessarily need to niche in a particular, go have a particular niche. Please, I will tell you from experience, try to have a particular niche. Even if you have up to 3 niches that you want to venture in, or you want to talk about, you want to explore, please make sure you do them on different platforms or in different channels. Do not crowd. See, the truth is, if you do so many things in your channel, you confuse the algorithm. That is a simple truth. You confuse the algorithm. But once the algorithm knows that this is what you do, the algorithm looks for the audience for your content. It looks for the right audience for your content. And when you have the right audience, it's magic. You will not look for views because this audience always need your content, and the same content is what you give to them. The same niche is what you bring to them. Okay, so please try to be sure of the niche that you are in. Make sure, even if you want to do more than one niche, please make sure you do it on different channel or on different accounts depending on the platform you find yourself or you are doing. Number two is to create quality content consistently. I have explained quality content in my other video. I'll drop the link in the description where I talked about how to get more views, okay? For your content, more viewers to watch your content. I'll drop the link in the description. Please do well to go and watch that video if you have not watched it because that video is a banger. Okay? Now, if you have quality content, once you have the right audience and your content is of high quality and it resonates, they can resonate with it, it is something that they want, it is something that they need, and you have the right audience, you will not. I wish you could understand from where I'm coming from. When you have great quality content that resonates with your audience, it leads to number three because your audience will always engage. You will not look for engagement. Once you have the right audience from the niche that you have, number one is having a particular niche that helps the algorithm to push your video to the right audience. Secondly, you create quality content that consistently that resonates with your audience. Those audience know that this is what you do and they need it. Whenever you post content, videos, whatever it is, they will always come to watch it. And at the end, they will leave their comments, they will like, they will share because that is what they want. There is no magic in content creation and succeeding in content creation. So these are the blueprints. These are things that successful content creators have been doing to succeed. Number four is to leverage on social media platforms. Not all platforms are suitable for all kinds of content. I will tell you the truth. There are some platforms that are easier to get followers, subscribers, and the rest of them, while there are some that are not. And depending on the niche you find yourself, depending on the kind of content you are creating, the good thing about YouTube is like a search engine. People come here to search, just like Google. I think YouTube should be the second search engine. Okay, so but you see platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, um, and the rest of them, Twitter, X, and the rest of them. There are some kind of content that will grow or that will succeed better in different platforms. So you can try to navigate through the platforms, know the one that best suits your kind of content. And that is where you have to grow from. Because when you are able to grow from one platform, you now have the right audience, okay? You now have the right engagement, the high engagements. Even if you move to other platforms, those followers or subscribers, whatever, those audience will be ready. Your community will be ready to move with you from one platform to another. That is the secret. Now that brings me to the last one is always analyze. Make sure you go through your performance, the performance of your content. Use analytics. You can download the YouTube Studio if you don't have YouTube Studio for your YouTube. You can, if it's on Facebook, you have where we have analytics, analysis, just like analysis. You analyze the video performance, your content performance. You know how many times people come to watch your videos. How do they watch your video? Do they watch it to the end? Where do they drop interest in? And you know where to pick up. And the rest of them try to always. It's just like a teacher in a classroom gives comes to the classroom to teach, and they teach on a particular subject and gives classwork. After giving the classwork, he or she will have to evaluate it. Like you have to mark it. Now, after marking it, you have to make corrections. This is where you are wrong, but this is what you have to do to correct the mistake. It's just like that. Content creation is just a daily lifestyle. The things you have been doing all along. That is it. That is the blueprint. So once you know it and you see it as a normal activity, okay, because you have to learn from your mistakes. So please always go back to do your performance check. Okay, know how to improve your next video. Just like one of the biggest YouTuber, MrBeast, he said that
Your first video is not going to give views, period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to give views. I can very confidently say that. All you need to do, this applies to people who have dreams of being a YouTuber, is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking. My first 500 videos didn't deserve to get a million views. Like, there's a reason they did. They were terrible. But at the time, I thought they did. I'm in the mindset of a lot of small YouTubers where I thought those videos.
So you see, you just have to learn from your previous video, know what and what you did not do wrong, what you did not do right, and correct it in your next video. And it goes like that till you become better. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I believe that you have gotten something very, very unique from this video. Please do well to hit the like button so that YouTube, the algorithm, can push this video to more viewers, okay, that need this video. And don't forget to drop a comment. Don't forget to go and watch the video on how to get more views on your content. Thank you so much for watching. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because in this channel we talk about everything content creation, social media success in general. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now.